students, subject Advanced Surveying, chapter number 3, Trigonometric Leveling. In the last lecture, we have completed the example of instrument stations in different vertical plane. Right? Now, let's start the example of angle of depression and angle of elevation. So, the given data is a theodolite was set up at a distance of 130 meter from a tower. The angle of elevation to the top was 7 degree 6 minutes. So here angle of elevation is given. Let's say angle of elevation is alpha 1. So the given data alpha 1 is equals to 7 degree 6 minutes. Right. Now angle of depression to the bottom was 2 degree 30 minutes. Let's say the angle of depression is alpha 2. So given data is alpha to 2 degree 30 minutes. If RL of the instrument axis is 100, find RL of top and bottom of tower. Right. So RL of instrument axis is given, that is 100 meter. Right. Reduced level of benchmark is not given. Instead of that, instrument RL of instrument axis is given directly. HI, height of instrument, is given from mean sea level. That means RL of instrument axis is equals to 100 meter. We have to find reduced level of top and bottom of tower. Tower na top ne bottom બંને નું reduced level find કરવાનું છે. Right? Now let's draw the figure draw કરીએ. Theodolite આપેલો છે. Right? તો theodolite જે છે ઓબ્જેક્ટ સાથે, ઓબ્જેક્ટ that is tower, તો એ બંને વચ્ચેનો ડિસ્ટન્સ કેટલું છે? 130 મીટર. The distance between the theodolite, that means at instrument station, from the instrument station to the tower is 130 meter. Horizontal distance D, right? Capital D is also given, that is 130 meter. Distance between the instrument and object, that is tower. Right? Tower theodolite જ્યાં મૂકેલું છે ઇન્સ્ટ્રુમેન્ટ, એ બંને વચ્ચેનું હોરિઝોન્ટલ ડિસ્ટન્સ કેટલું આપેલું છે? 130 meter. Right? Now let's start the drawing from the given data. Say that is tower. Okay. Now ground level. Let's set the instrument at this point. અહીંયા આપણે ઇન્સ્ટ્રુમેન્ટ સેટ કરીએ છીએ. રાઈટ. Now that is instrument axis, horizontal axis. Right? Now instrument અહીંયા સેટ છે, સેટ કરેલું છે. અહીંયાથી આપણે ટોપ ઓફ ધી ટાવર ને બાયસેક્ટ કરીએ. Right? We are bisecting the top of the tower from theodolite, sorry, by using theodolite. So that is vertical angle, which is alpha 1, because angle of elevation, vertical angle, that is angle of elevation થશે એટલે alpha 1 લખીએ with horizontal. Now station થી towerના bottom એને bisect કરીએ. Now base of the object is accessible. This example is based on base of the object accessible. Base of the object આપણો accessible છે, મતલબ ઓબ્જેક્ટનો બેઝ આપણને દેખાય છે. રાઈટ? તો આપણે આ પોઈન્ટ પાસે રીડિંગ લઈ શકીએ, એંગલ મેઝર કરી શકીએ બાય યુઝિંગ ઇન્સ્ટ્રુમેન્ટ theodolite or total station. તો એના એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ છે. સો alpha 1, that is 7 degree 6 minutes. આ એલિવેશનનો એંગલ થશે અને આ બોટમ, that means આ નીચે જાય છે ડાઉન, it depression angle થશે. So let's bisect the bottom of the tower from instrument station A. Right? So with horizontal axis This angle is angle of depression, right? આ એંગલ કયો થશે હોરિઝોન્ટલ એક્સિસ સાથેનો angle of depression, that is alpha 2. Alpha 2 is 2 degree 30 minute. Angle of depression is also given, right? Now station, say station A, instrument station, say station P, tower P. So the distance between A and B, that is D, capital D, horizontal distance D, which is given 130 meter. Station A and object means tower જે આપણને આપેલ છે એ બંને વચ્ચેનું horizontal distance 130 meter છે from given data. The distance between theodolite, that means instrument axis, and the object tower P is 130 meter, right? Now we have to find RL of top of the tower and bottom of the tower. So say the top of the tower is P dash and bottom of the tower is P, right? આપણે આનો RL ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનો છે. RL of instrument station is given, right? Instrument axis, RL of instrument axis is given. Say that is mean sea level. આપણું mean sea level છે કન્સિડર કરીએ, right? So from mean sea level to the horizontal axis of instrument station, that is RL, reduced level of this 100 meter, right? So RL reduced level is given. Say that is mean sea level. Now આપણે શું ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું છે? ફ્રોમ mean sea level. mean sea level આ છે. mean sea level થી P સુધીનું distance, that means reduced level of bottom of the tower, and P dash થી mean sea level સુધીનું distance, right? The reduced level of top of the tower, right? Top of the tower, that is P dash. P dash થી mean sea level સુધીનું distance, and our distance, that is reduced level of top of the tower, right? Now let's consider first triangle. Say that is H1, vertical distance H1, and this distance say H2. Let's consider first triangle, say A dash. This point A dash. First triangle A dash, P dash, and see this as C, A dash, P dash, C. From triangle P dash, C, A dash, this triangle, we can find from this triangle we can find H1, right? Because alpha 1 is given, horizontal distance is given 10 alpha 1 is equals to 10 alpha 1 સામેની બાજુ H1, પાછળની બાજુ D, right? So H1 by D, H1 by capital D is given. So we can say that H1 is equals to D અહીંયા જશે, right? D 10 alpha 1, right? So put the value of D, that is 130 into 10 alpha 1, 7 degree 6 minute. So the answer is, using calculus we can find the answer 16.19 meter, right? So H1 मिल गया हमें. Let's calculate H2. To find out H2, let's consider second triangle A dash, C, પી બીજો ટ્રાયંગલ કન્સિડર કરીએ H2 ફાઇન્ડ કરવા માટે, રાઈટ. સેમ પ્રોસિજર કરશું. tan alpha 2 એટલે સામેની બાજુ H2 ડિવાઇડેડ બાય પાછળની બાજુ, દેટ મીન્સ D, રાઈટ. H2 by D from triangle ADCP. tan alpha 2 is equals to H2 by D. Therefore H2 is equals to what? D into tan alpha 2. H2 is equals to D tan alpha 2. D is equals to 130 meter into tan alpha 2 degree 30 minutes. So the answer is, by using calculation we will get the answer 5.67 meter. H. Now, total height of tower is equals to total height of tower is equals to H1 plus H2, right. From figure we can say that total height of tower from P to P, the distance, that is height of tower H1 plus H2. Say H1 plus H2. H1 that is 16.19 meter plus H2 5.67 meter. Now by adding this value 21.86 meter, so total height of tower is 21.86 meter. Now we can find RL of top of tower. Is equals to RL of top of tower, that means RL of instrument axis is given, RL of instrument axis plus height of tower from figure. This distance is this distance is 100 meter. Now for top of the tower, height of instrument axis ni RL of instrument axis plus H1 has, right. H1 होगा, right. RL of instrument axis, that is 100 meter plus H1 16.19 meter, so 116.1 by meter, that is RL of top of tower. Now we have to find RL of bottom of tower. Is equals to, let's see the figure. RL find करना है, that means RL find करवाना है, that means vertical distance from mean level, our distance find करवाना है, right. We have this distance, that is 100 meter minus H2, we will get this vertical distance, that is RL of bottom of the tower, right. So RL of instrument axis minus H2, that means the height with respect to depression angle રાઈટ, એને આપણે માઇનસ કરવાની રહેશે. જે બી હાઇટ આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરીશું ડિપ્રેશન એંગલ સાથે, તો બોટમ ઓફ ધી ટાવરને ફાઇન્ડ કરવા માટે એને RL ઓફ ઇન્સ્ટ્રુમેન્ટ એક્સિસમાંથી ડિડક્ટ કરવું પડશે. આપણને ફિગર થ્રુ ઇઝીલી આઈડિયા આવશે કયું પ્લસ કરવાનું છે, કયું માઇનસ કરવાનું છે. રાઈટ, સો ટોટલ 100 છે, એમાંથી મને આટલી હાઇટ જોઈએ છે તો મેં આટલી હાઇટ ડિડક્ટ કરીશ. રાઈટ, દેટ ઇઝ RL ઓફ મીન સી લેવલથી બોટમ સુધીનું ડિસ્ટન્સ, દેટ ઇઝ રિડ્યુસ લેવલ ઓફ બોટમ ઓફ ધી ટાવર. રાઈટ, સો ડિડક્ટ કરીએ 100 મીટર minus h2, right? 100 meter minus h2, that is 5.67 meter. So the answer is 94.33 मीटर. तो हमारा यहाँ पे सम कंप्लीट होता है. रिड्यूस लेवल ऑफ बॉटम ऑफ द टावर એ બી આપણું મળી ગયું છે. તો અહીંયા આપણો સમ કમ્પ્લીટ થાય છે.